If you ever get picked to wash bowls in art class, make sure that after you wash them, you don't stack them like this because they can't dry very well. It's kind of hard to pull them apart. They're still wet. This is how I want you to stack them. After you wash them, I want you to set them on the silver part of the counter, like that. And then, when you get to the second round, see how hard they are to get apart? Ooh, they smell bad too. I think I'm gonna rinse them. Can't stack them like that. Stack them like this. I better get soap. This is a big job. They got a little moldy. Yuck. That's what happens when you stack them right on top of each other. You don't need soap usually. You can just rinse them because we're not going to eat out of them. And then just keep stacking up. Isn't that beautiful? Yay! That's how you let them dry perfectly. Good job. Now you know what to do if you get the job of washing and stacking the art bowls. Hello, my talented artists.